Here's Mr. River, and he's in a giddy mood. Mama Chick. Is Mama tickling you? Is Mama tickling you? Huh? Yeah? What if I come down and go? What? What's that? What is that? Yeah? Am I even getting you in film there? I have no idea. Let's try one more time. River, okay, one more laugh. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. All right. Say bye-bye.